Consumer cellular customers frequently encounter several voicemail-related problems that can be frustrating to resolve. Understanding these common issues and their underlying causes is the first step toward fixing them. These problems often occur because consumer cellular operates as an MVNO, or mobile virtual network operator. This means they don't own their own cell towers, but instead lease network infrastructure from major carriers like T-Mobile. Before troubleshooting, you need to ensure your voicemail is properly set up. The initial setup process involves 3 key steps: dialing *86, creating a secure PIN, and recording your personal greeting. Device compatibility plays a crucial role in voicemail functionality. For optimal performance, iPhones need iOS 12.0 or later, while Android devices require version 8.0 or higher. Signal strength is also critical for reliable voicemail access. When voicemail issues occur, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, restart your device completely. Then check your signal strength to ensure you have at least 2 bars. Verify you're dialing the correct voicemail number, which is *86. For Android users, clearing the phone app cache can resolve many access problems. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve your consumer cellular voicemail issues, several advanced techniques can help restore functionality. These methods address deeper system-level problems that simple restarts cannot fix. Network settings reset clears corrupted configuration data that may prevent voicemail access. This process removes saved Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings, so have this information ready before proceeding. Account reprovisioning refreshes your voicemail service connection with consumer cellular's servers. This advanced step often resolves persistent access issues that other methods cannot fix. Carrier settings updates ensure your device has the latest network configuration from consumer cellular. These updates are pushed automatically, but can be manually triggered when voicemail problems persist. If these advanced methods do not resolve your voicemail issues, it's time to contact Consumer Cellular's technical support team. They have access to carrier-level tools that can address the most persistent problems. Technical support can perform account reprovisioning at the server level, which is more comprehensive than user-initiated resets. This process completely refreshes your voicemail service configuration. SIM card replacement may be necessary if your current card has corrupted data or hardware issues. Consumer Cellular will send a replacement SIM with pre-configured settings for immediate use. Network profile reset is the most comprehensive fix available. This process completely rebuilds your device's connection profile with Consumer Cellular's network infrastructure. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Implementing a regular maintenance routine can prevent most voicemail issues from occurring in the first place. Monthly voicemail system checks help identify issues before they become major problems. Test your voicemail access, notification settings, and message playback quality each month. Regular app updates ensure you have the latest bug fixes and compatibility improvements. Enable automatic updates for your visual voicemail app to maintain optimal performance. Periodic PIN changes enhance security and can resolve authentication issues. Change your voicemail PIN every 6 months using a combination that's secure but memorable. Network settings verification after system updates prevents compatibility issues. Check your voicemail access after any iOS or Android update to ensure continued functionality. Consumer Cellular is investing heavily in future voicemail technology improvements. These upcoming changes will address many current issues and provide enhanced functionality for all users. By the second quarter of 2026, Consumer Cellular will complete its transition to fully cloud-based voicemail systems. This modern infrastructure will eliminate many current compatibility issues and provide more reliable service. Artificial intelligence integration will provide advanced spam filtering, blocking over 95% of robocall voicemails. AI will also improve transcription accuracy and provide smart notification prioritization based on caller importance. These technological advances represent Consumer Cellular's commitment to providing reliable, user-friendly voicemail services. The combination of cloud infrastructure and AI capabilities will create a more robust and intelligent voicemail experience for all customers.